So in today's video, we're just going to look at a quick example of using a macro versus code in a button. So here I've got two buttons that are going to do the exact same thing. One is to view all of these results in the table. The other one's going to do the same thing. But what I want to do is when you click on this first one, I want it to actually run through a macro. So what I do is click on these three little dots here. It comes up and it says, do I want a macro builder, expression builder, or a code builder? I want a macro builder for this. And we're going to use this to say open table. And then the table is table user last login. And that's all I need to do for this. So macros, as you can see, there's quite a lot of actions that you can do. You can actually run code from the macro. You can do a lot of different things. You can see all these different options here. But for now, we just want to do one where we open the table. And then the second one is we're going to do this via code. So here I've already got this set up. It's an event procedure when you click on it, and then it's going to run this here. So these two things are going to do the exact same thing when I display this. So here we clicked on the first one and it brought up this table, and we clicked on the second one and it brought this table. A different view just because in the code I had it to do that way. So those are different options that you have. You would also have this option in the macro as well. So now I brought it up as a normal view, so these are definitely the exact same. So whether you use macros or you use code, as you become more and more comfortable, you may find it better to use code. It's also easier to search through code. So if I change the name of this table and I don't call this anymore table user last login, and I want to change that, in the code I can do Control F. I can change them all at once. If I've got that embedded in a macro, I'm only going to find that when I click that macro and it no longer works. So it's important to think about things like that when you choose whether to do macros or code. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.